Each ingredient is carefully balanced to maintain Coca-Cola's signature taste. Every batch of Coca-Cola is refined and tested for quality.
Pure water is the foundation of every bottle of Coca-Cola. It is filtered and refined to meet strict global standards.
The syrup is carefully balanced. Every ratio is controlled to protect Coca-Cola's signature taste. This is the moment Coca-Cola becomes what the world recognizes: perfectly carbonated and ready to be bottled. Every bottle is tested before it leaves the factory. From raw materials to a global refreshment, this is how Coca-Cola is made.